Alright guys, this one is for my UK friends. So if you are having money on Amazon, if you're having some commission there, or if there is any of your money on Amazon that you want to withdraw. So if you don't have bank account and you don't want to withdraw your money through the Amazon gift card, there are so many ways you can leverage to withdraw your money on Amazon. One of the best ways to withdraw your money on Amazon if you are in UK is using the Payoneer account. So we're going to be using the platform to withdraw your money. So here is how to do it. The first thing you want to do is to sign up and register your account on Payoneer.com. So you go to Payoneer.com and register your account. And if you guys want to know how to do that, I've made a video that show you how to do that. So you can check out my video in the description down below. So when you sign up and register your account, then you are ready to go. So now let me sign into my account here. Let me show you how you can connect your Payoneer bank account with your Amazon account. So here's my Payoneer dashboard right there. So if you sign in, you are going to get something like this. If you are using the app, I'm using the app by the way. So if you are using the web, your home are different from here. So you may want to download the app and use it. So you get something like this. So you want to scroll down here if you want to connect your bank account to your Amazon account. So you want to go to bank cards here and click on it. So here in the middle here, you want to click receiving account here. So these are banks that you can leverage. These are banks that you can use. So there are banks in Eurozone, UK, Singapore, US, many other countries that you can leverage. All you have to do is to request your bank account and you are ready to go. So these are banks that I'm using here. So I'm using the US bank for my account. So if you want to get your bank details, you can just go down here and you click view details. So when you click view details, you're going to see all your bank details here. So these are the bank details that you're going to be using for your Amazon account. So you are going to copy these details here and go to your Amazon account and paste it in there. So now let me show you how to do that on Amazon account. So you go to your Amazon account. So you want to go scroll up here and click account settings. So down here you want to scroll down to change payment method, because I've already added my bank account. So if not, it's going to say add payment method. So you're going to see it right there after the change of payment information. So here you're going to click change payment method if you already added your payment method. If not, you're going to see add payment method. So you're going to add your payment method. We are going to click on that. So it's going to present you with this page here. So these are my shop here. So my Canada shop, France, Germany, Italy, Spain, United States, United Kingdom. These are my shops here. So I'm using this bank for all of them. So let's say I want to add my bank details here. So you want to add your bank details, you just click bank account there. So this is my bank there. So I want to add a new bank account. So let me go there. If you want to edit, you can just go here and edit your bank details. So let's say I want to add new bank account. So here is where you're going to add your bank details. So we're going to choose the bank, the location of your bank here. So right here, you're going to choose the location of your bank. So if it is United States, you can choose it, Poland, Portugal. So all these countries here, you choose your countries right there. Here is where you're going to choose account holder name. So you're going to paste your name here. And here is where you're going to paste your account number. This is my account number there. And you're going to paste your bank name here. And you're going to choose your bank currency. So I'm using dollar here. Your bank type, your account type, sorry. your account type. So it is saving or checking. So you are going to click, you're going to pick one out of the two. Checking is the most used. So here you're going to confirm your account number here, and you're going to type your routing number here, ABA number. So when you finish, you are going to click save. Then you are ready to go. Now your bank details has been added. So now every month Amazon is going to pay you direct to your bank. So when Amazon pay you direct to your bank, Payoneer is going to inform you. Payoneer is going to inform you that Amazon has paid you your money. So you can just go to your Payoneer account. So you can just go to your Payoneer account and withdraw your money from there. So it is very easy to withdraw your money from there, and they also have cards that you can use. So if you want to use their card, you can use that and withdraw your money. You can use the card to withdraw your money or withdraw it to your bank account, and you're ready to go. So that's how you connect your Payoneer account to your Amazon account and withdraw your money in UK. If you are in UK, you can do this very easily. You don't have bank accounts. You don't want to withdraw your money with the Amazon gift card. So you can just use this system here. And if you guys want to know how to register your account, register your Payoneer account, the link is down below. You watch the video and you see how you can do that. So guys, that's all I have for you on this video. If you guys have any question or anything to say about this video, please let me know in the comment area down below. Subscribe to this channel and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Peace.